Once again, welcome again, and it's amazing cars review, as you know. Right behind us, we have the GMC Yukon, and this one is the Denali Ultimate. We already did the Denali review, right?
Yes.
And this one is the Ultimate, the top of the line, right? What do you know about the Ultimate, man?
Man, it's beautifully redesigned, aside from the newer grille.
Yeah.
But you have a few key features that separates it from its predecessors.
Exactly. So there's Denali Reserve that we did, and this one is the Ultimate. We just want to show you the difference, the features, and why it's called the Ultimate. Without wasting time, let's jump onto it. Errol's going to take us through and see what's the difference between the Yukon Elevation, the Denali, the 84, and now the Ultimate. Let's jump on right to it.
All right, so key features that you're going to notice, or even just visual features you'll notice different from the previous model, is the piano black surround to your Vader Chrome grille. Of course, you get your Vader Chrome GMC symbol up front, but these are your new headlights with the different excess. You have your precision LEDs, your fog lights down below. This does have the sonar for your Super Cruise and your other enhanced safety features.
So the Yukon has the same headlights from the elevation, right?
Yes, we took a look at the reserve package. So the headlights are going to be very similar to what you saw before with the C-shaped design.
Right. But on the Denali Ultimate, you get the Vodachrome on the grille, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, the beautiful Vader Chrome. And come check out these wheels. Previously, you had 22-inch rims. Now you have the 24, massive size with the Denali logo right there emblazoned.
So the Denali Ultimate comes with 24-inch wheels, right?
Yes, that's a new key feature that's going to set it apart from the previous design with only 22-inch. Because a lot of people were turning around, go ahead and changing and swapping out the wheels.
So we've seen a lot of people, before the Denali Ultimate comes out, they used to do the aftermarket 24-inch wheels, right?
That's
and
right.
if you got like really crappy wheels, you really get like a really shaky ride, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
So when you got those and didn't have the proper spacers, a lot of people were rubbing on the interior of the rims, whereas this is factory spec, very beautifully executed.
So the ride is not going to be affected because it's 24 inches.
No, it's very smooth. As you see, those are touring type tires as well.
Nice, nice, man. This is 24-inch wheels. First time on the American SUVs. Man, this is beautiful. I think as time goes by, they might give us the 28s.
All right, guys, come on around back to see what else has changed. So again, your Vader Chrome accents. You have your quad exhaust with the rectangular tailpipes. And don't forget that key GMC with the Vader Chrome accent as well. All right, we'll check out the interior so you can see some of the newer interior toys that you're gonna have on it. You'll be surprised. So this is the woodland mahogany interior. First thing you're gonna notice is it's not as bright of a red brown that they had previously with the amber interior. So it looks a little bit more refined with your open pore wood and nice designs.
So this mahogany interior, you only get it on the Ultimate.
That's correct. So you get your cross and contrast stitching as well. If you can get it on camera, you'll see that there's a nice textured look integrated into the brown. So it's mahogany and almost a darker mahogany integrated right in. You see the Bose performance sound system that you've had before. And of course, with it being a 25, you get your new larger display. First, you'll notice that you get your massaging seats, the Bose Performance Series with your speakers all around. So you do get more of a refined leather and then also a more luxurious interior.
I have noticed that the interior is different, the leather is different, and you know, the material in here is not the same as the Denali. And it doesn't mean that the Denali interior material are bad. It's just this is on the highest scale, right?
That is correct.
So it shares a lot of things.
So many things set it apart. So of course you get your new steering wheel with your different controls for your LCD screen behind. Your new larger display, over 15 inches of display right here. Makes it very easy to integrate or access your controls. Piano black finish. So again, they're not too heavily reliant on just push button. Your controls right here in your dash. You have your hard buttons for your climate on and off, automatic, temperature up and down. You have your fan speed, front and rear defrost. You can also access your different heated and ventilated seats, as well as your controls for your blind zone, steering assist. You can access your child safety locks instead of having to get out to do that. And instead of just having 3 universal remote controls, you can now add up to 8. So beautiful design. Plus you also have your home screen. You can access your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your cameras with your 360 view. You have a hard button on your left-hand side of your steering wheel, or you could access it from the screen. So that's your rear tires and your front tires, because the last thing you're going to want to do is curb your rims going through a drive-through. The differences in between the Denali and the Ultimate is this one's standard in 4-wheel drive with the 4-corner air ride suspension that's constantly adapting to the different roads. So regardless if you're on smooth tarmac or if you're going over rutted potholes, expansion joints, or even taking off-road, it can easily adjust for all of those conditions. Interior-wise, like I said, we have this new mahogany interior with different wood grain, as well as the rear standard rear media and Bose performance sound system. So guys, check out this beautiful LCD screen that you have digital controls for your climate, where you want to turn your temperature up or down. You can choose which direction you want your air to come out of. You can sync it to whatever's in the front or have it in automatic mode, or you can manually adjust your fan speed. If I want to turn on my heated seats, I can easily do that right here. USB-C fast charging, HDMI, and your AC power outlet to charge a gaming device, laptop, or other.
So tell me, what is the main difference between the Denali and the Denali Ultimate in the second row?
In the second row is more of your exclusive features, like having this digital screen back here. So last time we took a look at the Reserve. I'm sure he'll give you different indicators of how to watch that video, but this does have the touchscreen rear media with the YouTube Kids, Hulu, and regular YouTube, or even a web browser.
Right. On the second row of the Denali Ultimate, they have the executive package.
Yes.
You add on to it.
Not only do you get your 12.6 inch rear displays, you get your 8-inch display down below. You can control anything from your rear climate, your fan speed, sync, or even your heated. And if you're in the executive package, you can control your ventilated seats. It does have the Bose performance speakers integrated right into the headrest. You get 16-way control just like you do up front. And that controls everything from your heated, cooled, and other massaging seats.
The main difference between the Denali and Denali Ultimate is actually the add-ons, the interior, the executive package that you can get in the second row. It just matches the front seats and the controls, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so, the Denali Ultimate is actually the fully loaded trim that you can get in the Denali trims. You know, there's a Reserve and then the Denali Ultimate. So the Denali Ultimate is only when you get all this interior and the add-ons, the executive package in the back.
And not everybody is looking to carry their child in a cup of luxury. So
Exactly.
this makes it more than comfortable.
Yeah, you only get that if you really want it. It's not for everybody, but if you want to get the Ultimate, you should know the difference between the Reserve Denali, right?
Right, right. If I'm going on a road trip and I have somebody else driving for me, I wouldn't mind being in the second row at all.
Yes, I would add on it, man. It feels good in here. Look at this screen right here, 8 inches. And on the Ultimate, you get, you know, ventilated and heated seats, man. You feel like a boss. So this is the Ultimate. As you can see, man, it looks different. The 24-inch wheels, the mahogany interior, the speakers on the headrest, you know, and also you can add the executive package in the back, just to match like the front seats in the back and get more, you know, more luxurious in the back, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Different things you could get in the Reserve or individual,
Yeah.
a la carte. Things like your power sideboards.
Right.
You can get a 4-wheel drive in others, but the Reserve gives you that air ride suspension. You can change your heights as well.
Yeah.
And we never talked about the available night vision.
The night
vision's really
exactly.
good. So beyond your scope of what you could normally see while you're driving, especially you're able to see adults or people walking, as well as walking, running. You'll be able to see cyclists and even larger animals like your deers and other things that pop up on you, especially here in the States.
And I believe the Denali Reserve and the Ultimate, they share the same engine, the power, and the same gas mileage. And, you know, they take the same gas, right? Apart from, I know there's a diesel engine and the regular engine, and then
5.3 that you get in your Elevation
exactly,
and your AT4, whereas on this you'll get your 6.2 high output V8 or the optional 3.0 diesel that you're hinting to, that gets you better fuel efficiency. If fuel efficiency is your thing, that's a very good option.
Yeah, that's nice. And I know I love this car. It's good to see the difference. I think I would choose this and add the executive package in the back.
Hey, if you got it like that, come on and get it.
And I won't drive it. I'll get a driver to drive me and sit in the back to get the beautiful view out there. You know, man, it's nice, man. I want to have that. I'm rolling in 24s, man, in the Ultimate, man. It looks good, man. It looks good. Yeah, man. This is the Ultimate, and you know, that's the details we are giving you about to know the difference between the Denali Reserve and the Ultimate, so that when you pull up on Errol to kind of get your Yukon, just get the Ultimate, man. Just get the Ultimate. You know, don't ride low, ride high, man.
Yes, whatever you want.
Yeah, man. Ride high, man. Yeah, man. But it was nice to go through this with Errol all the time, man. You know, thank you for tuning in. We are trying our best to give you all the details that you need before you buy a car. You know, just make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and, you know, tune in and stay tuned that we have more coming. And Errol, man, tell us, man, where do we get you again?
We're right here at Cobb Parkway, 2150 Cobb Parkway Southeast, Smyrna, Georgia, just outside of the perimeter, those familiar with Atlanta, and just down the road from the new Braves Stadium, about 1 mile and just south of Windy Hill. So easily accessible from 285 or 75.
Nice. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.